Namaste everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here we will talk about the Django application through which we can do YouTube search. Now how this application works, let me show you that first. So here we can type something like, my channel's name is Gaurav Kumar Jain, as you guys know very well. So if I type here my channel's name and do a YouTube search, it will hit the YouTube server and bring the result for me on this application like this way, right? So as you can see, most of the videos are from my channel. Right now, if I want to see, if I want to watch one of these videos, I simply have to click this view button, which is getting reflected below all the thumbnails, right? So if I want to see this video, now what happened is, that button has redirected me to this YouTube website where I can watch
So
the
that's the
video
fun.
which I've posted on my channel. Likewise, if I have to search for, some other content, let's say I want to get things related to full stack development. Let's see whether we'll be able to get the result or not through the Django application. So what's going to happen? There is an API in the backend which takes this query, that we have typed in here in the search box, and it then hits the YouTube server, bring the result for us and populate the same on the front end. So that is the whole process, right? Let's see how much time it's going to take to give us the result. Why it is not working? Let me just do the search again. Okay, maybe there was some network issue. Yeah, so see, I got the results, and here if I have to check out this video, suppose, so I just have to hit this view button and it has redirected
Hello,
me to this
welcome to the
YouTube website where I can enjoy the video. Right, so this is how the application works. And now let's check out the backend code, which is actually giving us this result. So let's come on the coding part. And here, as you can see, we have some folders here. So there is this YouTube search, which is the project folder. So here I have defined all the settings of the Django application. Right, there is only one URL. There is only one application present in this project, which is with name search. Right, so this will redirect us. This will redirect the interpreter to the search named application, and here the interpreter will first come on this URLs file. So it will see, it will check the name of the function, which is index, and then it will come here in views to check out the code of the index named function. So here we have defined a list, an empty list. Then if the method is equals to post, so this method, this request will take place when the user will hit the search, YouTube search button. Now there are two variables where we have defined two different types of URLs, one for searching and other for videos. These are the different parameters which are going to be which will be passed to these URLs, and then we are making a request to the YouTube server over here. Right, we are pulling the JSON data, and then we are iterating through the results that we are getting from YouTube server. And then what else we are doing, let me check it out. So then we are redirecting the user to this particular video. So what happens with this function is, if the user clicks here on view to check out this video, so this is the code which gets executed by the interpreter in the backend, and it redirects the user to that particular video on the YouTube which he wants to see. Then this is the one which is actually bringing bringing for us the information from YouTube and populating it on the front end. So here, whatever data is coming in this videos named variable, we are passing it to the context variable, and then this context variable is passed here to this index.html template, which is this. And finally, it is getting populated on the front end. So this is a main template, right? And here, as you can see, we have the video.title, we have the URL of the video, we have the duration, right? So we are able to see everything over here, right? We are able to see the duration, we are able to see the title of the video, right? So it is coming from this template. I hope the code is clear to you. In case you want to know more about Django, you want to learn Django and become a full stack developer, don't forget to contact me. My number is there in the description section. I will definitely provide you lectures. I can definitely provide you lectures which can change your life, and your life will become more easy if it comes to web application development or mobile application development or anything related to development. I have a great experience and I want to really share my experience with you guys, and that's what I keep doing on my YouTube channel. Also, I would request you to please share this video in your groups and with your colleagues also, so that they can also come to know about my channel. They can learn these types of things from my channel. And definitely, because most of the times it is a project based learning when it comes to Gaurav Kumar Jain coding classes. So yes, people are learning new things on daily basis. There are a number of Angular projects which I have developed and posted on my channel. There are a number of other things also, like cloud computing, mobile application development, AI, data science, which you can find on my channel, and you can learn a number of things here, right? So I would really like to have your support for my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead, guys.